guys, it's Christa with artisticvegan.com. Welcome to Gerald and I's new kitchen. It's beautiful, I hope you like it. And today we're making a new recipe. You'll need frozen bananas. You take a ripe banana and break them up into little pieces after you peel them. That's about 1.5, you can do 1 to 2. Frozen bananas, and you blend that up. So you can see it's absolutely beautiful and creamy and dreamy. You can eat it just like that. Another simple way is to add just a tiny bit of vanilla, and then you get vanilla ice cream or nicecream. Almost 2 bananas, about 1 3/4, and then I'm going to add a little berries and we'll make a berry flavor. So let's make strawberry first. That's a lovely berry, so we'll go ahead and add that in. That's it, strawberries and bananas, and then you blend it up, and just like that you have strawberry ice cream. Oh my gosh. So good. Put a little of this away and we'll make our next flavor. And now I'm just going to make a new flavor, adding a generous handful of blackberries. These are so good. Ta-da! Beautiful purple color, love that. And from there, the sky is the limit. So if you want mango and mango, papaya and papaya. You can add orange juice if you want an orange flavor. You can add mint and chocolate chips. You could have peanut butter and chocolate, raspberries, mixed berry. You could just go on and on. Guanabana, lychee, so many different flavors that you can mix and match. The banana is a nice clean palette, and then you can add to it with all these different flavors, and you can really go wild and have fun. You can eat these as is. They're absolutely fantastic, just like this. Let's just try a little. Very good. Or you can decorate the heck out of it and have fun. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll show you a close-up. Let's have a little bite. Hats off to the chef. Really, really good. You can make this as simple as you'd like or as fancy as you'd like. I was just showing you some different options and different toppings. You can get the recipe at artisticvegan.com, or you can pretty much just figure it out on your own. So thank you so much for watching. This has been Christa with artisticvegan.com, and I hope to see you next week. Bye.